put suffering pervading the nation, the general crisis of living, the outrage expressed by majority, and the increased attendant fears of the continued consequences policies and the persistent refusal of the government to implement the tenets of the October Agreement. The NEC in session also took notice of the wise decision of the National Administrative Council of the Congress to demand that the agreement be implemented. To this end, NEC unanimously noted its deep disappointment and condemned the actions of the federal government in refusing to implement the agreements and reached the following decisions. NEC in session declares a two-day national protest on 27th and 28th of February to demonstrate outrage on the mounting hardship and insecurity around the nation. If our demands are not met after the nationwide protest, to issue a 7-day notice that will expire on the 2nd day of March 2024 to the federal government, after which an indefinite nationwide strike will ensure. That Nigerian workers and people are not interested in the empty talk now, but action. So we call on all our affiliates, state councils, and civil society allies to start mobilizing across the nation for effective action as this February 22 approaches. In this slide, the urgency of the situation, in view of the urgency of the situation and continued suffering the Nigerian people and workers have faced, NEC in session calls for immediate action from federal government to ratify these grievances and restore faith in the democratic process and social dialogue. Let's keep ourselves. If you want exclusive on that, you can give it. We have not briefed anybody on the minimum wage.
So the stories online are false?
The stories online could be independent stories. So the issue of 1 million you are hearing was in response of the questions raised. And it is a continuous one. If the Naira continues to depreciate, 1 million Naira will be a child's play in the minimum wage. So today we are talking about 1,500, 1,600. So if it continues that way, 1 million Naira will be too small for the worker. Does that not make sense?
Yes.
You know, why are we scared when we say pay a worker 1 million? When those in National Assembly are collecting 16, 17, 30 million. So why are we so discriminated if you hear 1 million for a worker? See, if somebody can collect 15, 16 million for a job, not even commensurate to the job that the worker is doing. Why can't the worker get 1 million?
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.